When I tell y'all I have wore the hell out of this wig, I have wore the heck out of this wig, and I'm still loving it.
Let's take this show on the road. Shit, different day, I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away, hop a train, cop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job, those boss be working my nerves. Clocked out at phone, do not disturb. My boyfriend's cool. I need my girls, the world is ours, so run it up, let's go to a land where we cannot be found. So off the grid, way too little, slow down. No, me and who when they see me out, booked it 'cause I'm not waiting around for you. Let's fucking go Miami, let's fucking go Chicago, let's fucking go Bimo, let's fucking go Houston, let's fucking go Atlanta, let's fucking go Tokyo, let's fucking go Brazil, let's fucking go London, let's fucking go South Africa, let's fucking go Korea, let's fucking go New York, let's fucking go Toronto, let's fucking go Paris, let's fucking go Nigeria, let's fucking go DC, let's fucking go and let's fucking go. Trees, new beach, we be out on the coast. Swimsuit, two-piece, catch me doing the most. Eating good in Perry, grab a glass, make a toast to life. Just living like it's my life. In these streets, music playing all night. Hawaii, I found my peace on a mountain zip line. Australia stole my heart, and the natives are fine as hell. Oh, well.
There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Y'all, hey, what's up, y'all? What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A. Y'all already know we came to slay today. Okay. What's up, you guys? What's up, everybody? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? So for one, y'all already know this is about to be the best of 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 the best wigs. Okay. And y'all know this is with my peoples at My First Wigs. Okay. It don't get no better than My First Wigs. And it's just a side RPG show too. Okay. So this one is one of their new ones. It has a drawstring in it. And before I even did the video, like the review part that you're seeing right now, I decided I was going to just wear the wig. You can't get no better than a My First Wig wig. And girl, when you need your hair done and you got little things you want to do, the best thing you could do is get a My First Wigs. If they come through, you ain't never disappointed. Girl, listen, you will thank me later if you get one. You'll slay all day. Okay? It came pre-plucked, pre-cut, freestyle, pre-bleached, pre-approved. Girl, it was just pre-everything and everything. But the cool part about it is it does have a drawstring in it. So this is my favorite hair texture, which is Yaki. I don't know, me and Yaki just get along so well. It just looks so natural on melanated skin. And I just like Yaki because you can wear it just simple and just simplistically, or you can really dazzle it up and make it look like glammed out. So this is what I really do like about Yaki here. Plus, the density is there. It's got the volume. It just got the texture. It just got everything. And when you add a little highlight to it, girl, or some ombres, then baby, you got yourself a masterpiece, hands down, okay? So this is one of their new ones. They switched it up on you, girl. So for one, they do have now the silicone elastic removable band. They also are adjustable, so you can give your head the tightness that you need. If you want it tight, super tight to where your face is turning blue, girl, do you, okay? But it has the elastic band. It has the sewn in combs. They don't skimp on the combs. They make sure that you have the 3 combs that you need. So it does come with the 3 combs and does have the adjustable straps, but it also does have a drawstring now. So for all y'all divas and divos out there that really need all the security in the world besides the security guards and the CIS and whoever else, feds, FBI standing next to you to guard your wig, baby, this is what you got right here. These are all the security guards that you will ever need. You can't get no better. You got an elastic band, you got some combs, you got an adjustable strap, girl. And then you got drawstring. Like, girl, you safe. You really safe wearing this wig, okay? This one is also pre-bleached. It's a 13x6. And like I said, I went ahead and wore it. Girl, it held up, baby. I didn't have to do nothing. It already came with a nice curved part. Baby, we're about to put her on right now. As y'all can see, I was wearing her, okay? She got a little bit of hairspray on her. But this is a really good wig. So if you're looking for like a really amazing wig for the new year, then I suggest you get one from My First Wig. And if you love RPG show just as much, girl, they got you covered too. So on that note, let's just get into the rest of this video, okay?
I'll lay you to rest in pieces. No picture on a t-shirt, like you never existed. I'm done being a victim. This my villain era, look out. I go hard for my heart, play with her, it go down. Now you blocked, don't make a sound. Don't wish you no harm, but I hope that no good come around. In my space, there's no cheaters allowed. I gave you my word. Try it again, you're gonna lose your girlfriend. The nerve to think I wouldn't disappear from your life. Boy, watch me. Cold-blooded. Let it, let it, let it. You're trying to spin the block now. Oh, hell nah. Bring flowers to my job now. Oh, you realize what you lost now. I've been pressure never stop now, but I'm way too good at goodbyes. Bet you thought grass was green on that other whole side. Guess what? I'ma help you decide. Tattooed on my tears, no, I swear that you won't catch me crying. Got no reasons left to rewind. I gave you my word. Try it again, I'll put you on a bench, do not disturb. To think I used to dream of being your wife. Cold-blooded. Boy, I'm cold-blooded.
I love this wig. I love Yaki texture hair. And when I'm telling y'all, y'all can get some Yaki texture on spot. With My First Wigs, you can get some Yaki texture on spot. Now, what I mean by that is, like, a lot of websites don't offer Yaki texture, like dead on spot sometimes. It has to be customized, special order, or what have you. But some Yaki just don't look like Yaki. Some Yaki be looking like kinky and Yaki. That's like khaki mixed or whatever. But, you know, when I want to wear kinky, then I want to wear kinky. When I want to wear Yaki, then I want to wear Yaki. And girl, this Yaki make me so effing happy. Okay. Girl, I don't have to keep telling y'all. Y'all can see for yourself. Check out My First Wigs. Treat yourselves to something special. All year round, y'all be doing stuff for other people, even if it's at work, girl. Okay? So trust me when I tell you, check out My First Wigs, girl. They will have you slay all days. You doing like it's your B-day. Okay. I know she probably looked like my last unit that I reviewed, but girl, listen, they all have a mind of their own. Okay, the last one that I did review for My First Wigs was really, really cute too. It also was Yaki, Middle Park, and it was highlighted. Now, it was a darker color. This is like a very, very kind of like medium brown with some 27 highlights in it. I'm thinking I want to call these 27, but either way, girl, they all have a mind of their own, personality and all, but y'all know what I'm talking about when you check out My First Wigs. I love y'all. Stay Diva and Divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, girl. Thumbs the damn video. Happy Valentine's Day and happy 2025. And I will see y'all in the next one. Okay.